Wix real estate website tutorial. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily build website about real estate using Wix website builder. So here we are, let's click on get started, and then I'm going to continue with Google, as for me this is the easiest variant. So Wix provides us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can easily use some of the templates. So here we are, from this page here we can manage all of our websites. We can create new by simply clicking on this button, and we need to answer for some of the questions. What kind of website are you creating? You can try to input real estate, maybe we'll try to find, and as you can see there's like different categories: real estate agent, agency, developer, consulting agency, development firm, and so on. I'm going to skip this question because I'm going to show you how can we find different categories by ourselves. What would you like to call your website? Let it go like real estate 1. Next. And also we need to answer what do you want to add to your website. I'm going to skip this question. We can add everything a little bit later. And everything is done. We can go to dashboard, but I suggest you to click on begin with the template. So we'll start from template choosing. So here we are on this page. We can easily find the category right up here: businesses and services, store, creative, community, and blog. And if we'll discover businesses and services, we can find the real estate folder. So we can find a lot of stuff about real estate. We can easily try to use these templates here, but we can also go to blank templates and we'll find a lot of blank templates we can simply use. Sometimes it could be really even better. So as you can see, they look like this. All we need to do is just to fill text and the image icons, so we are ready to use it, or we can simply create it from scratch. So basically I'm going back to real estate, and here we can find something which is suitable as for us. I think this website is pretty cool. We can click on view info, and here we are. We can find how does it looks like as for us, and I think it's pretty cool. So we can just simply click to mobile, and as you can see, all the website templates on Wix are responsive, so we can easily use them from different devices. Let's click on edit this site, and in a few seconds everything is done. This template was successfully added to our site creation, and now we need to wait for a little until everything will be done. It may take maybe 5 or 10 seconds, so all we need to do is just to wait, and yeah, just spend a little time. Here we are on our editor page. From this page we can start our customization. Let's have a quick tour. As you can see, in the left side menu we have a add elements button where we can add like text, images, buttons, trap, decorative box, gallery, and so on. A lot of stuff could be added. Also we have like add sections where we can add different sections: welcome, about, team, contact. Every site on Wix is built from different sections. As you can see, this header here, like main section, one more section, one more, and the footer at the end. So let's add maybe a welcome page where we'll add it right up here. And as you can see, how can we interact with sections? We can just simply hover, and then we can move it up, move it down, we can edit. Let's move it up. And also I'd like to change the background. As you can see, these are two similar basically sections also. So let's try to change the background. Let's click on quick edit, section background, click on change. So every single part has its own properties. For example, this section here, properties are displayed here. So we can just simply choose the background we want to use, maybe this one, and in a few seconds it will be successfully changed. In this way we can interact with sections like this. So we can also manage our pages and menu. As you can see in the top of the screen, we have like homepage, properties, news, team, and contact, and we can easily change the order here. We can switch between different pages by simply click on the necessary pages we want to visit. So as you can see, now we are on property. So as you can see, it looks like this. Let's go back to home. Also, I suggest you to click on site design, and from this page here we can simply customize the theme we are going to create our website in. So basically they change the color palette and the font pack. So I think it's pretty cool because we can customize every single element here. I'm going to use this theme here. All you need to do is just to switch and view how does it looks like as for you. So as for me, it's pretty cool. And yeah, basically to manage the elements, for example, this text here, this like container box, this like description, this button, all you need to do is just to hover and then just click, and the element will be successfully selected. So after that, we can simply click on edit text and view all the properties, like as for text, themes, fonts, font size. We can make it bold, italic, and so on. Change the alignment, add the effects, add the animation if we even need. So sometimes it could be really helpful. And in this case, we can easily interact with every single object with this button. We can click on change text and icon. We can change what does it say, what does it link to. So basically, the navigation is quite simple, but you need to know that every single element has its own properties. So for example, if you are going to add the image, we're going to add maybe this image here, it has its own properties. So if we move it here, we can just simply change image, go to settings, change the design, crop, manage filters, animation, link, help, connect to data. So as you can see, all the all the elements have their own properties we can change. So let's delete this section here. I'm going to delete because I don't need it. And in this case, we can interact with every single element here. And when everything is done, we can just simply click on save and continue and go to publishing. So let's click on publish when everything is saved, and we'll publish it direct to the internet. As for me, it's pretty cool that Wix provides us the opportunity to publish it for free, even if you don't have paid version. So now we can view our website. As you can see, it looks like this. We can send the link to our guests, to our friends, and they're able to interact with it. As for me, it's pretty cool. So basically, if we'll go to dashboard in the left top corner, we'll come to the page. From this page, we can manage a lot of other stuff like marketing and SEO, as you can see, and also we can view analytics and reports. So these are two main pages. We can make it easier to find our website with optimizing SEO settings, or we can go to analytics and reports and find all the data about our viewers, about traffic source, and so on. And I think it's pretty cool. If you're going to discover their paid plans, we can find that there are like 4 plans, like VIP, unlimited, combo, and only connect domain option. 550 euros, 10 euros, 17 now 850, 29 now 4050. So basically there is like small differences, so you can decide by your own what plan would you like to use. So this is how can we use Wix to build real estate website. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.